How to store official expense invoices in Zoho Books. Need to keep your expense invoices organized and audit ready? Let's store them in Zoho Books step by step. So first log in to Zoho Books. From the left menu, go ahead and head over to the Purchases tab. And then from here, go ahead and select Expenses. So under the Expenses tab, go ahead and select Record Expense, and then you can go ahead and manually enter the information in here and then upload your official receipt into this section. So attach the supplier's official invoice by uploading a PDF or image. This keeps your records complete and compliant. If the invoice includes tax, select the correct VAT or GST rate. Zoho Books will calculate totals automatically. Click Save to store the expense with the attached invoice. If already paid, choose Save and Record Payment and select the payment mode. You can view or download stored invoices anytime from the Expenses section or through Expense Reports. And that is how you can store official expense invoices in Zoho Books.